one single most important thing that you need for a really awesome spin. Balance. Top 3 things to great balance. Numero uno. You want to have the feeling when you're spinning like you are being suctioned up and growing so tall that everything just squeezes into your midline. So you're like 10-foot tall giant NBA superstar player. That's how tall you want to be. A great way to practice that is really just standing on one foot and pushing up and up, feeling you're lifting from the inside to grow yourself taller. Even more of a challenge is as you pull up, just to pause for a second before you lower your heel down. So pull up, hold it, and then lower. Pull up, hold it, and lower. Nice. What is the second thing? Push down into the floor, like you're growing these really long roots, like you're a 1,000-year-old tree, and you're pushing down into the floor. Now you're gonna transfer weight. So from back foot to front foot, just do a mirror image to me. And as you step onto the front foot, push down. You can actually use your hands as an aid. Feel like you're pushing down. Yeah, down and hold it. And down and hold it. And down. Last but not least is to maintain that nice vertical line in your entire spine. We are gonna pretend like we are ballerinas in a jewel box. And all you can think about is that you are rock solid. One straight line from your head, through your neck, through your spine, into your belly, down that leg you're standing on. And nobody, not even Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, can knock you down. From here, the strong position, you're just gonna pretend you're that ballerina in the jewel box, and you're turning and being really stiff. Because if you're in a jewel box, most likely you're made of plastic. And plastic is really stiff, right? That's how you maintain your balance, by keeping your spine straight over the leg you're balancing on. And those are the 3 things that you need to maintain great balance, which then gives you awesome spins.
Yes!
You know you want to get your spins down. You want to get all the good stuff to improve your spins. Check out my new course in the description below. I have a link for you. And I'll see you at DanceInsanity.com. In the next video, I'm going to show you pencil turns. See you soon.